Mr. Griffith could tell from the look on my face if I wasn't pleased. When we were doing Orphans of the Storm, after I was released from the having my head cut off, and I had to come down the steps and meet my sister, I didn't care for the way he had rehearsed and done it. And he used to tease me by calling me Miss Gish. Apparently, Miss Gish doesn't like what we're doing. And I said, well, Mr. Griffith, it's all right, but it's as good in any other film, such a scene. I just think more is expected of you. He says, if you're so smart, get up there and do it better. Well, I got up and came down the steps and played it the way I thought it should be played. There were 50 to 100 people, extras there. He got down on both knees and kissed my hand and said, she's always right.